there. We're still finding a lot of folks stuck on the roads and some road closures as well. Folks are running out.
A winter weather advisory is in effect. Currently in our area, 27 degrees with light snow. Tonight, snow showers, low 24. Winds north-northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Here's our 7-day outlook.
It's official. It's official. I'm feeling like I'm back in New Hampshire. Sort of. Oh, last time I came out here, there were kids playing. Where did they go? I'm going to slowly walk, because this is probably slippery. Because this pavement's probably not used to in snow. Yep. That is snow, people. Yep. You can tell I got my jacket on. Unfortunately, do not have hat or gloves. But next time I go up to New Hampshire, I will be buying some. So that if this happens again, I will be prepared. Well, until 6:41. That is all for now. Shocked how many cars are coming down. Like I said, I was going to go to the Shell station, but I don't think I'm going to because it's probably closed. And I'd just rather stay home. Really no reason for me to go to the Shell station other than just walk down there. But anyways, see you in an hour.